What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage back at another video, and today I'm here y'all with a dope little video with an on feet for you guys, something different on the channel. But before we get into this, I need you right now to subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell so you never miss another video, and go ahead and smash that thumbs up. We're gonna get every video on the channel to 100 likes, man. We're doing pretty good by that these last couple of videos, so let's go ahead and keep doing that. So let's jump into the video. Okay, this video, as you see title, is my top 5 gold Jordan sneakers to release, and I have 7 pair of gold Jordans in my collection. And I was thinking I should have like more gold sneakers, but I have 7 Jordan gold sneakers, and I wanted to like bring a dope on feet to you guys. Y'all love the on feet, and I want to bring up a discussion on what y'all think are some of the dopest gold themed shoes. You know what I'm saying? So as we see some shoes right here that I'm gonna show y'all, I want y'all to go ahead and rank them in your opinion, and go ahead and I want you guys to enjoy the visuals and the on feet for the sneakers. Let's get into the first gold sneaker. All right, the first gold sneaker we have is the Air Jordan 8 Chromes. Let me turn that brightness down for y'all. Y'all already know how I come. Right there, it's like a pretty much predominantly cream upper, but you got all those gold hits in the Jordan. And I feel like all these Jordans in my collection that's gold, I feel like they was all, you know what I'm saying, dope to me, and I had a couple of them. But it's kind of hard rocking an all gold sneaker, especially when you gotta, you know what I'm saying, think of a shirt to go with it. This is like one of those shoes, the gold shoes that you gotta wear when you go out trying to impress. And this is probably one of my best gold Jordans in my collection. As y'all know, I sold this shoe, had to get it back, and I got it back for under retail. And he wore it one time. It was pretty good condition, man. So check it out. Got the gold hits right there in that jump, man. Got the gold hits with Michael Jordan's fingerprints and the thing as if you touched the trophy. And now y'all see all like the little thumb marks and handprints on the trophy when you win it. And then you have it over here as well. Still having to the plastic off of these. I might do it maybe today for the on feet, because I have not did on feet for this sneaker yet, and I want y'all to enjoy that. And at the bottom, as you can see, we have that gold plate at the bottom of the 8s. You know, usually with your 8s, you get like the little zigzags and the designs in the bottom of the shoe, and sometimes you get them on the side. This championship pack 8 right here came with just a plain gold right here with Michael Jordan's thumbprint, fingerprints, whatever you want to call it, man. So this is maybe my #1 gold sneaker in my collection. Kind of dope that I pulled it out first, because I feel like this is maybe my favorite. You know what I'm saying? I went back and got this shoe twice, and yeah, that just shows a lot about the shoe. And you got the gold speckles all around the shoe. I hope y'all see that in the on feet as well. So this is the first one. I'm not gonna ramble too much. Y'all enjoy this on feet, man. Let's get it. All right, the next sneaker we have is the Air Jordan 13. These came in the pack right here. As you can see, that 1998 box right there. This one came with the 14s as well. As you can see, we got the lace tips gold, which I really like. As y'all know, I had this shoe. I bought this shoe when it first came out too. I sold it. No, I took it.
I've been just a step better since I was 4.
Shipped it back to Jordan Brand because I seen it was for sale for like $350, $400. I was like, hey, I'm about to save me a good $100 on these shoes. And I went back on GOAT and I got these. Did I get these brand new? I either got them used or brand new, but I spent $380 for the whole thing, shipping and everything. So I saved me $100 and maybe like $50. So you know, you pay $50 for that tax or whatever. And yeah, man, you got just the gold hits right here. Gold hits on the ankle right here. It's just very fuego, man. I gotta stop saying fuego because Doretto Whiskey got that shit like implanted into my head, like goddamn. And they got the Jordan down here plated, which is very nice. So let me know in the comment section below if y'all cop this pack. I know it's a pretty hefty price, but you got 2 shoes for the price of maybe one of these shoes. They made it limited, you get what I'm saying? So I had to go and get this one. I got it twice. Yeah, I gotta stop doing it. I gotta stop selling my shoes and going back to get it, because it's like, damn, like I should have just kept it the first time. But here you have it. Enjoy that on feet of the Air Jordan 13 Defining Moments pack, man. Let's go. Next shoe we have is the Air Jordan 11 closing ceremonies. This shoe released back before I even started YouTube, and I was like, man, these things is dope. This is my first like predominantly gold sneaker in my collection. I was like, maybe I can, you know what I'm saying, buy these, you know what I'm saying, add them to the collection, maybe pull them out one day. But honestly, I only wore these one time. I think I just went to the store or something, and I was just like, why I even wear these? Why didn't I just throw on some slides? Because most of the time when I go out like to the store or something like that, I'm throwing some slides. There's no point in me rocking no J's and nothing like that. Maybe I'm throwing some Yeezys. But maybe not even that. So usually I'm throwing on some slides. But that day I decided to put these on, which is very shocking. I remember that day too. And you get the gold patent leather around the whole shoe. And as y'all know, Air Jordan 11 High released, or didn't release, that Chris Paul had on back in the day, and it was all gold with the pretty much this shoe, but the patent leather, you know what I'm saying, was higher on the Air Jordan 11 High. And I was like, that's very, very nice. And they have a gold Jumpman right here, as you can see. And I like how they did it. I like how they execute this shoe. Let me know in the comment section below if y'all cop this one. Let me know if y'all feeling it. But I hope y'all are about to enjoy this on feet, man. Let's get it. All right, here we have the next sneaker, the Air Jordan 1 Wings. This shoe right here, I took a big L on, did a reaction and a rant. This is probably my first L on sneaker YouTube, so y'all go check that video out, man. I was I was highly upset about me not getting these. I was like, man, I want these shoes. I've been talking about them and they ain't gonna let me buy them. And I was just like going on a whole rant, like, because I didn't know how the whole sneakers app really worked. And I started learning and I started figuring out that you're gonna take an L every time. And I had to go back and get this one on the resale market, and I paid a lot more than what they're going for now. Not a lot more, but a significant amount more, just so I can remember I paid for these sneakers. But it is what it is. I like this shoe, and I feel like this shoe will go up in value eventually. This shoe was numbered to like 19,400 pairs, and these is pretty much some sleepers. No lie, these is pretty much some sleepers. Like I said, I buy what I like. It's not about something being limited. It's not something being GR. It's just about what I like. If I want it, I'm gonna go cop it. So y'all let me know in the comment section below how y'all feeling. Let me know if y'all passed, because I know, like I said, it's some sleepers. But I hope y'all about to enjoy this on feet, man. Let's get it. All right, the last shoe, I had to end it off with a bang, and it is the Air Jordan 1 Gold Toes. These are not the top 3 golds. Like I said, those was super, super limited. I think the resales on them is crazy. But I was like, they're releasing another pair, but it's not the same, but it's pretty much the same. I was like, I'm just going to wait and cop them. I think the other shoe only has a white toe box right here, and it has a gold outsole. And I was like, man, this shoe is pretty darn near close to that pair. So let me go ahead and just cop these. I actually had to go up a half size in these. If y'all watched my video last year, around like February time, and I was like, I called my old shoe store that I worked at, Champ Sports, and I was like, y'all got a size 9? They was like, nah, I got 9.5. And I was like, hey, hold that down for me. I'm gonna be up there right now. Just hold them for me, please. I ran up there. It took me maybe like 10 minutes to get to the mall, and I copped these joints, and I was very, very happy that I got them for retail. Right now, they're not going for crazy on resale market, but it just always feels good to cop a shoe for retail, and especially a shoe that you really want, just like the Yeezys that's been dropping. You can now finally go into the store and pick up a pair of Yeezys like it ain't nothing. Like it's a pair of Forces, you know what I'm saying? They're going to have Forces all day, every day for you, and I like that. I love that. I feel like they should do that more, but it is what it is. People want some limited stuff in their collection. They want to be hype beasts, but it is what it is. One of my favorite gold Jordans of all time. Y'all enjoy this on feet, man. All right, wouldn't be right if I didn't add these 2 honorable mentions into the video. And the first one is the Air Jordan 6 Chinese New Year's. Just did a review and on feet over the Air Jordan 12 this year, 2019 CNYs, like the playoff mockeries. So y'all go check that out. And yeah, I had to throw some in there. It had the gold hits all around the shoe, and I already rocked. I think I done beat these things up. I gotta clean these. I gotta get some crep. And yeah, man, got the gold lace holder right here. And I will be doing an Air Jordan 6 lacing tutorial maybe tomorrow or very soon. So y'all stay tuned for that, man. And also I have the Air Jordan 14 Defining Moments pack right here. I put this in honorable mention because it's small hits of gold. Just like the last shot 14s, you have that small hits of red, and it's just like that with gold. You know what I'm saying? Got the gold plate down here, and this kind of looks like, or reminds me of the DB15. Like it's a predominantly black shoe, but you got those small hits of gold in there. I won't be doing on feet on these 2, but I want to throw these into the honorable mentions, man. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, more videos dropping soon. I hope you guys Smash that thumbs up. Let's get the video up to 100 likes. Hope y'all enjoyed the own feats. I hope y'all enjoyed these gold sneakers. I know I don't do a lot of videos like this, but I want to incorporate, you know what I'm saying, more into like the topics we talk about on this channel. So like I said, let me know in the comment section below how y'all feel about some of these sneakers, and let me know some video ideas you guys want to see that's different on the channel as well. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. Hit the notification bell so you never miss another video from your boy DeVintage, and then follow me on Instagram at DeVintage World. The link will be in the description box below, and hopefully I can hit y'all with another early review very soon. We will see, and with all that being said, I'm going to catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.